Alright, so my battery died, so pretty much what I did was took off 2 screws, because this one doesn't have the little storage box or whatever it's called. Pretty much just took off these 2 screws and this popped right off. So let me just take this off. And now what we're gonna do is unscrew these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this whole thing should come off. But before that, we gotta disconnect these linkages right here. Just a little pin. See that pin right here? Take that pin off. This should pop off, and this nut right here. And yeah, install the new short shifter soon. Alright, so
what are we doing?
We pretty much took off the center console. There was only 2 screws for my car, at least, or Arturo's car. I don't know. This one didn't come with the storage box, so it was just 2 screws. Right now, we're just gonna disconnect 4 screws, or 12 millimeters. These 4, and this whole thing should come off. I'm just gonna break them loose right now and then disconnect the linkages right here. Alright, I'm gonna get an open wrench 12. Open wrench 12 or disconnect the linkage. Make sure you guys don't lose any like nuts or bolts or whatever.
Yeah, we should keep them in like a bucket or something, dude.
Right there, boy.
Right.
Alright, put the nut away. Now I'll get rid of this bitch pin, which,
there we go.
the bitch pin away. The washer, that linkage is off. Both linkages are off. Now we can take off these screws. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird, right? Seeing your MR2 in pieces.
No, as long as the pieces are back where they were, I wouldn't be tripping. I know it's a project, so this kind of shit has to be done in order for the car to run better, smoother, just to overall maximum performance. What the fuck is this, dude? There's nothing but cigarettes in here.
Don't lie, we all know it's, you know.
Yeah, they're probably mine. Just fucking
All right,
look,
so
dude. They fucking hooked it up. There's bud here.
For real?
Dude, look at that shit. Dude, last time when they were cleaning out the car, there was fucking roaches, dude. There was fucking little blunts and shit on the fucking car.
Alright, so now we gotta get rid of this.
Should we vacuum this shit?
If you want, we could do that right now, but we just gotta unscrew these 4 bolts right here. I don't know. Alright, so out with the old motherfucker and with the new. I don't think it wants to come out, bro. Let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. It doesn't want to come out.
Well, we're gonna fucking make it come out.
Fuck you. Yeah, I think let's just leave it. No,
Let's just leave it. It's not that bad. This thing's pretty bad. That's why we're replacing it.
there you go. Shit's falling apart now. Alright.
It doesn't fucking matter. This thing's garbage anyways.
Alright, well, here's all this old shit. Alright, so when you guys do this though, make sure you guys keep this, not this, but this part right here. You guys we're gonna need this part to put on the new one. Alright, I think I'm gonna need like a flathead. Go grab a flathead real quick.
Where's the... Oh, we need a flathead?
Yeah.
Let's go grab a flathead. Was fucking J-Cat. No. Alright, so this guy wants a flathead. Got some tools here. Flathead screwdriver. There we go. That's perfect. This little one is all we need. It's perfect because we don't have to make that much. It's gonna limit the space in it here. Okay, now that we get those fucking ridiculous fucking knobs off, we can start.
Ow. Now how the fuck are we gonna put this bitch on?
Oh, fuck. Pop it in like.
It's popping in, huh?
With the mallet. What are those things, like bushings?
I don't know, dude. What they're called literally, but they're annoying. That's what I call them, annoying. Fuck. Back to the drawing board. Where was it?
Okay, now that we got these obnoxious ass fucking bushings back on the fucking, on our new short shifter, we can now progress with the rest of this project.
So pretty much what we did to take these off the old shifter, I got a small flathead, obviously not
There's
this.
a trick to this.
I just stuck it in right here. You see that right there? Stuck in a flathead in there and just popped it off. And then for this one,
do the same thing,
but in here
through the top.
Just pop that off. Just a little tip. Alright, so we put this back together. You know, it's pretty self-explanatory. Don't forget this. So it keeps the pressure on this thing, whatever it's called. A little bitch pin, bitch clip. Fuck. I'm kind of lost right now. Sorry. Alright, so that goes in there. Alright, put this back together. Too small of a car.
It just smells like dank. That's. It's like a stoner mobile.
Right. Stoner mobile. Funny. Alright, so. Ah, shit. Forgot the fucking spacer. Fuck. You.
You didn't tighten them, did you?
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't.
Should we put grease on it?
No.
Why not?
It's not gonna fit. What the fuck?
Fucking J boy. You're a fucking J cat.
So you gave me new nuts, guys. I haven't forgot one thing.
Alright, so this is a 732 Allen key.
Hey, thanks, buddy. Alright, guys. It's my first time doing it, so please be patient. You know, little things I fuck up on, you know. But it's all good. Alright, fuck you, bitches that want to talk shit. No. Alright. Shit is getting real now. There we go. Do you trust me working on your shit? On your car?
Of course. I've seen you do it before. You never worked on an MR2 before. It's something new, but we're both learning this together in a way, I guess.
Yes, we are, my friend. It's easy as fuck.
Hello? Bien. McDonald's? Yeah. Sí, estamos instalando un short shifter en el carro. No. Okay, ma. Alright. Bye. Moms, am I right, guys? No.
You're wrong. No. Finishing touches right here.
Should have just gotten a shift knob while we were at it. So how much you said they were? Like $5?
Shift knob?
Yeah.
No, fuck no. For a legit one, hell no, dude.
It's like $70, huh?
For a legit shift knob, that's a little very expensive. The shift knob could be pricey. Oh, that's it, bro. Your short shifter's installed. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good, pretty happy, pretty pleased. What about you? How do you feel? How do you feel about this?
Me? Well, I feel like you owe me. No, I'm just...
I mean, I do owe you literally for this shifter. Just kind of fronted me this, but I mean, it is nice.
It's a favor for a favor, bro.
It stands out.
So what we're doing to the MR2, we already fixed the shift knobs on it, pretty sturdy. It was hella loose earlier. We'll keep falling off, but now we ghetto rigged it. You know, budget build. So what I'm doing now is fixing the clutch on. Shit. Let me see if you guys can. Okay. So right here, it had a lot of play because the screw it had was literally, where is it? I don't know where it went, but it was pretty loose, right? It was loose, so it would have a lot of play. The clutch pedal had a lot of play. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna ghetto rig it, but try to put this screw with, can you guys see that? This screw with this like nut, try to use as a washer, try to keep it like as tight as possible so it won't have any play. We'll see how it goes. Pretty much, I put 2 nuts to make up for the slack or as washers because we don't have any screws or anything like that right now. And since we're on a budget, doing this budget build is what we're gonna do. It'll work. I'm gonna adjust this right here, where the throttle cable to the throttle body, it's kind of like it has a little slack. See that? It slacks before actually opening the throttle. So I'm gonna loosen these nuts so I could pull the throttle cable back a little bit. You know, just tighten this up a little bit because it has a little bit of play, and hopefully, you know, gives a little better response on the throttle, bro.
Hopefully by the end of this project we're gonna have fun.
Hopefully
and
you'll
record some fucking drifts. Maybe
hopefully for this little mod, bro, you'll fucking wreck this shit.
Hopefully.
Hopefully,
I don't
dude, because I want to own it. No, I'm just playing. Ladies, if your guy can't do this kind of shit to your car, you're with the fucking girl.
You're with a girl.
You got a girlfriend. I don't know.
Little engine.
Alright. Let me see. Yeah, that's hella better.
See the slack on that. Let's see the slack on that.
Well, this is the most I can go. Ran out of thread, so I mean, this is probably the best you're gonna do. I mean, which is pretty good, so it'll open, you know, the throttle right away. I mean,
well, it's better than it was before.
Yeah, it's way better than it was before.
That matters.
What's all that matters?
That fucking.
What's all that matters?
You won't really want to know? No. Sorry. Those little fucking things. If it wasn't for those little fucking things to be fixed, this shit wouldn't have happened. No, like seriously.
He lost control because the shift knob fell off, and he was trying to like fuck with it. While going 60 miles per hour, entering a freeway or exiting, I don't know. But
I was exiting a freeway, but I was already too close to the railing. So as I was braking, I didn't have enough time to react. So as soon as I started turning the car at that speed, the fucking whole car just drifted across the whole fucking. I ended up like not destroying anything else other than the tire. But
he drifted a whole off ramp in accident just because of a shift knob. But that's fixed. His clutch is adjusted, throttle's adjusted, so he should be good now. If anything, he'll probably lose control a lot more now. Oh, in that Corolla though. Yes, neighbors.